This trial is set to feature some of the best lawyers in the state.
Absolutely. I've described it as sort of a face-off of the state's legal titans. So you've got Judge Clifton Newman, who will be presiding. He's described as one of the most experienced ethical judges by the book in South Carolina. He has a really solid reputation, Kelly. He will have to decide what of these other cases that Matt has been taking us through are admissible in this murder trial. You've got Murdaugh's team. So you've got Dick Harpootlian, part of his defense team. He's got 30 years of trial experience. And then a man named Jim Griffin, part of the defense team, also with decades of experience in the courtroom trying these types of cases. We're told they may try to flip the script on the defense and try to prove to this jury that Murdaugh did not commit the crimes, that somebody else, in fact, is responsible. And then on the prosecution side, you've got Creighton Waters. He's prosecuting this case. He is the state's assistant attorney general. He has worked in the AG's office for more than 20 years. He has a reputation as well of being a tenacious legal wizard. He is tasked with connecting the dots in this case and proving that not only was he trying to cover up his financial crimes, but he in fact killed his wife and his son. So it is a stretch, some say, because the evidence may prove it out. The prosecutors say we've got it. This is going to be gamemanship, showmanship of their legal experience in court. I think the prosecutors will get some outside help from other trial lawyers as well. It's one to watch because of how much experience is happening inside this courtroom.
Yeah, we didn't even touch on the financial crime. He has over 100 other charges besides this double murder, and almost $9 million in stolen money, and drug charges too that he is facing with drug trafficking. So he has got a lot of charges, like you just said, like I just said. But what will be admitted? That's what we got to find out.
Yeah, a lot of questions. And Marnie, I have to admit, and Matt, I got a little bit of a sneak peek at what you're going to be talking about and going over in this special. Absolutely fascinating. What can we expect to see on Sunday?
So we decided there's so much to this case. We can't do it in a few minutes. We're going to spend an entire hour this Sunday night, 9/8 Central on NewsNation, the Murdaugh mysteries, because that is what it is. We're going to take you through the details of the murder case and prepare people for the trial. Jury selection, as you said, starts on Monday. The double murder of Paul and Maggie. The influence of the Murdaugh family in this county, the 5-county region, that includes the county where this trial is taking place. It's Colleton County. It's in Walterboro. It's only about 30 minutes or so from Hampton County, where the family lives. We're going to talk about the other 3 deaths that happened over the course of the same amount of time, about 6 years, how they are curiously tied, Kelly, back to the Murdaugh family. And you're going to hear from people who are close to this case, who have followed this case since the very beginning. This story reads like a Hollywood script, but it is no movie. It is very real. It is very tragic, and it's really gruesome. It's a web of crime. So we're going to take you through that and prepare you for what you're going to see in the trial this week.
All right, Marnie, Matt, thank you so much for giving me some context to this important story. You won't want to miss our NewsNation special report on Alec Murdaugh. Marnie and Brian Enton dig into the deaths, the money, and the supposed cover-ups just one day before the South Carolina attorney goes on trial for allegedly killing his wife and son. The Murdaugh mysteries, this Sunday, 9 p.m. Eastern, only on NewsNation.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.